Thanks a lot for staying with Republic TV. You're watching the biggest story tonight. I'm Shivani Gupta. Republic Media's team has tracked Sandeep Singh after several days of wanting to get in touch with him. He immediately tries to run away the moment he sees Republic TV crew. Now, this is one man who's facing a lot of serious questions on how he paradropped onto the scene after Sushant Singh Rajput's death and controlled what was going on in the aftermath for as long as 2 to 3 days. Family has raised questions over his role, close friends have raised questions over his role, but he's hiding from Republic TV. My colleague Shravan Sen is joining us, also legal editor Ridhim Anand Bharadwaj with us right now. Let's go across to Shravan in Mumbai, who has managed to track Sandeep Singh finally, along with my colleagues Alisha and Yesha, who you guys have been wanting to get in touch with him for quite some time. And now finally, even as you came face to face, Shravan, he tried to run away from the team.
देखिए बिल्कुल संदीप सिंह को ढूंढने की पूरी कोशिश की जा रही थी।
I think Alisha is the one who can hear me. Yes, Alisha, go ahead.
खुद संदीप सिंह जब आ रहे थे, देखिए बिल्कुल संदीप सिंह जो है जो काफ़ी दिनों से मुंबई में नहीं थे, पर जब दिल्ली से वो और मुंबई जब आए संदीप सिंह, तो सबसे पहले एक मीडिया को हमने देखा कि वो कहीं ना कहीं पर एक इंटरव्यू दे रहे, इंटरव्यू नहीं पर चेजिंग सीक्वेंस खुद एक टीवी चैनल कर रहे थे, जो कि उनको टिप ऑफ ऑलरेडी मिल चुके थे। पर रिपब्लिक टीवी के ओर से जो क्रू मेंबर्स है वो लगातार संदीप को ढूंढने की पूरी कोशिश की जा रही थी, और उनके घर के बाहर और जिस जिस जगह पर जहाँ पर संदीप सिंह हो सकते थे, उस हर जगह पर करीबन 48 घंटे लगातार उनकी निगरानी की जा रही थी। और आखिरकार कब तक संदीप सिंह का कैमरा से बचेंगे, रिपब्लिक से बचेंगे, इसी और देखते हुए मैं रिपब्लिक टीवी के सीनियर एसोसिएट एडिटर श्रवण सर से बात करूंगी। श्रवण सर, जैसे हम देख रहे हैं कि लगातार एक तरफा संदीप सिंह लगातार भागते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं, जो सवाल रिपब्लिक टीवी की ओर से की गई थी उसके बाद खुद संदीप सिंह लगातार भाग रहे थे, पर आखिरकार कब तक बचेंगे, ये सबसे बड़ा सवाल।
Well, Alisha, two very important points, because for the last 48 hours, unlike certain other networks who have been, there was this entire charade, there's drama that was being done between Sandeep Singh and certain networks. Republic Media Network for the last 48 hours have been on the foot outside his residence. You have been, our colleague Yesha has been, we all have been outside this very place for several hours put together. And our aim was to basically put across some questions. We then suddenly, chanced upon Sandeep Singh, who we are given to understand was not here in the city also for a few hours. And finally, we managed to track him down. And, I'll also take this question, I get a quick word from Yesha, because Yesha, you've also been here for this long. Yesha, you managed to get inside the building a few days ago, tried to speak to the neighbor. So this entire attempt that was basically being made to ensure that Republic does not reach here, Republic does not get access to Sandeep Singh, because we are ready with certain questions, and I'll come to that, but I'll get a quick comment from you on that.
So when we tried to enter, they've been extra cautious, when people have been entering, such as not letting us go up to the house. We somehow managed to sneak in and get to his house, but the house help which was there at his house was very cautious about hiding behind the gate and not speaking to us, clearly ignoring the question, saying Sandeep Singh does not want to speak to you, he'll not come out, he'll not take a message from you all, he will not speak to you all. And post which, when we tried to enter again, there's been a clear instruction given to the guards saying that these particular people are not allowed to enter inside, and even if they enter, they're not allowed to go up. The call would be made directly to their house, wherein he constantly had informed them saying that they shouldn't be allowed up, and then we were asked to leave, which is clearly dodging the question that Republic is trying to put forth to them.
Well, I'll ask my video journalist also to give a frame of all three of us, because we have been here. We've been as a team, not just us, there have been other reporters who've also helped us in this entire endeavor to try and get across to Sandeep Singh. Now, Shivani, a quick update. What are the questions that we wanted to ask? Because if you see, perhaps at that point in time, we were not in a position to ask, because he quickly ran away and he sat inside the car. But we were armed with questions. And these are certain questions. Because I can tell you, Shivani, that we got to know from our sources that today, Sandeep Singh is going to watch. He's certainly going to watch Republic TV, because he knows it's this network which is going to ask him some questions. And these are the questions, Sandeep Singh, if you're watching us. First, how did you really get access to Sushant Singh Rajput's residence? Second, who was that mystery woman that you were talking to? Why did, after a couple of minutes of speaking to that mystery woman leaves, and how did that mystery woman, first of all, get access to? Secondly, what is your association with the Mumbai police? Because we can clearly see the kind of gestures that you were making to the Mumbai police. At the mortuary where Sushant Singh's body was kept, we saw the way you were controlling the situation. And remember, there have been several witnesses who have said that Sandeep Singh was actually in touch with Mumbai police, giving them instructions of how many people can be there or can't. So the question here is, Sandeep Singh, that why is it that you are so very afraid of answering our question? Why is it that the moment you saw Republic TV's mic, you immediately ran away with folded hands and you did not want to even roll down your glass, your car's glass, and answer those questions that Alisha and myself, we were prepared to ask those questions. But clearly, this is a clear attempt once again by Sandeep Singh to run away.
Absolutely, that's obviously caught on camera. Now the big question continues to be, Shravan, Alisha and Yesha, is that somebody who was so close to Sushant Singh Rajput and was seen everywhere in the immediate aftermath, why is it that he's no longer willing to talk to Republic TV when there are certain questions on him and his role? If he has nothing to hide, he can easily take those questions, because it's not that Sandeep Singh wasn't willing to talk to the media after Sushant Singh Rajput's death. Let's just listen into that sequence once again, where my colleagues tried to ask questions to Sandeep Singh.
Mr. Sandeep Singh! Mr. Sandeep Singh, sir, why you running? Mr. Sandeep Singh! Mr. Sandeep Singh, sir, why you running?
All right, so there you saw Sandeep Singh clearly scooting away the moment he sees Republic team there. The same team that has been trying to get in touch with him at his residence and at other locations for quite some time. And the basic need to do that is simple. It is the questions on Sandeep Singh's role. Too many of the family members, Shravan, and close friends have come out to say that he wasn't really in the picture in Sushant's life for many years, if at all. So how does he come close to the scene on the day and then in the aftermath as well? And you rightly said, Shravan, that the important question is, how does he get access? Not just him, but certain other mysterious individuals as well. How do they all enter the building and they try to take control of the situation, possibly move stuff around from the flat of Sushant Singh Rajput? So here, connected to Sandeep Singh's role is also the role of Mumbai police.
Well, in fact, Shivani, there have been several testimonies of people who have been actually close to Sushant Singh Rajput, and they have actually spoken to Republic Media Network, and each one of them, right from the head of the communications of Sushant Singh Rajput's company to some of his very close friends based out of United States of America, there have been several testimonies, and every person whom we asked, do you know who exactly is Sandeep Singh? And back comes the reply, no, we don't know. In fact, there have been some people who have actually taken, who have taken this assurance and said that, if anyone knows, they should take a look at Sushant Singh Rajput's mobile phone and they'll realize that Sushant even did not have Sandeep Singh's number. Now, that's the claim that has been made by few people. In fact, even family members have said, who exactly is this Sandeep Singh? Let me bring in my colleague Alisha, because Alisha has been one of the few journalists who have been tracking this person day in, day out. And the reason why Alisha has been doing that is because we wanted to ask certain questions. Alisha, जिस तरह से आपने ये सवाल उठाए, जिस तरह से आपने देखा कि लगातार एक कोशिश ये किया गया था एक पीआर स्टंट करने के, यही उन्होंने किया एयरपोर्ट के बाहर जब वो दिल्ली से वापस आए तो एक स्टंट उन्होंने किया एक नेटवर्क के साथ. उनके सामने उन्हें सवाल करने के लिए वो खड़े हो गए थे, जवाब देने के लिए खड़े हो गए थे, पर रिपब्लिक मीडिया नेटवर्क के माइक और कैमरा देखने के साथ, आपको देखने के साथ कहीं ना कहीं वो भागने की कोशिश कर रही है. इससे क्या नजर में आता है?
देखिए दो सिचुएशन को अगर हम देखें, सबसे पहले जहाँ पर आज संदीप सिंह, जहाँ पर हमने उनको देखा, सबसे पहले जब स्पॉट किया उन्होंने, जब रिपब्लिक टीवी के क्रू को देखा तो सबसे पहले वो अपने गाड़ी में बैठे। गाड़ी में बैठने के बाद लगातार सवाल जो है उनसे किए जा रहे थे कि आखिरकार आप रिपब्लिक टीवी से क्यों भाग रहे हैं, पर उसका वो बिल्कुल जवाब देते हुए नजर नहीं आए और फिर साथ ही हाथ जोड़ते हुए आगे बढ़े। यानी कहीं ना कहीं पर जिस सवालों से रिपब्लिक मीडिया नेटवर्क लगातार दिन और रात से सवाल कर रहे हैं, उन्हीं सवालों से वो चुकते हुए नजर आए। साथ ही उन इंटरव्यू, उस चेजिंग की बात करें जो अगर मुंबई एयरपोर्ट के बाहर हुई है, ये तो साफ तौर पर पता चलता है कि उनको जो आइडिया दिए गए थे, जो टिप दिए गए थे, उसी टिप से लगातार करीबन 15 मिनट का वो हम देख रहे थे, पर उसमें कोई जवाब नहीं था। सिर्फ ये पता चल रहा था कि उनको खुद बुलाया गया था। पर एक फेयर इन्वेस्टिगेशन, जो जांच रिपब्लिक टीवी की ओर से भी की जा रही थी, और हम दिन रात जो है वो संदीप सिंह को सिर्फ ये सवाल कर रहे थे कि कैसे उनको एक्सेस मिला, और इसी एक्सेस को देखते हुए कहीं ना कहीं वो इन्हीं सवालों से बचते हुए नजर आ रहे थे, और ये आज कैमरे में पता चला है।
Right.
Let me also bring in Yasha, because Shivani, Yasha has been also continuously tracking every movement. In fact, Yasha, let me also tell you, Shivani, that there is a mystery woman. There is this mystery woman that Yasha has been trying to track, and that mystery woman was actually talking to Sandeep. On that count, I would like to ask you this question, Yasha,
Yes.
that this entire mystery woman who's seen talking to Sandeep Singh, there are images that we have basically accessed. You've tracked down. We're not naming the person right now. We'll name the person at the right time, Yasha. Tell our viewers the way they're trying to cover up, the way they are trying to, cover their tracks.
There have been a lot of speculations about who the mystery woman is on social media. There's constantly been speculations, name calling on this particular person, but when we've been trying to reach out to this particular mystery woman on all the names that have been called out, they've clearly been hiding and dodging our questions, just like how Sandeep Singh has been. So that also raises a question saying, what is the link between the two? Because they've clearly been on air, like on camera, caught speaking to each other. And if both of them have been close to Sushant Singh, then what is it that they're hiding, and what is it that they know about Sushant Singh that they're not coming out in open? When we try to track them, try to track their families,
Right.
clearly all of them have been denying, saying that this person is not the mystery woman, or they've been dodging the questions and not willing to come up in front of Republic. Why is it that they're particularly not answering questions raised by Republic?
All right. Shaban,
Well, Shivani,
Yesha and
all
Alisha,
angles
I do
once again
appreciate
covered
all
by
of you
Republic
joining
Media
us after finally tracking down Sandeep Singh. Much to answer for that this man has, under question by the family and close friends. We'll keep coming back to you. Thanks a lot for the meantime.